So before we discuss the commands, one of the things I would like to show you is how to take a dump of a process using the debugger. Normally the way I'm going to show you to take the dump is not the way normally the dump is taken, but I just wanted to show you what is a dump and how a dump is opened in the debugger. This is the hello world application, so this is the same breakpoint. I have not closed it. I can take the dump of this application right here. If I type the double pipe command, I will see the mode of the debugging. Right now it is live user mode and it is a local debugging. If I go with a single pipe command, I get the name of the executable which is being debugged. And this is the process ID of the debuggy, which is this particular process here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the dump of this application at this particular state. For example, it has crashed here. It has a breakpoint here. So I'm going to take a dump and save to this location wherever the program is. So the command is .dump/ma. MA is for full dump actually. It is a mini dump with all information. Although /m stands for mini dump, it's not really a mini dump. So /m give you the maximum information for a user mode dump. Then you can mention dump.dump1.emp or anything, doesn't matter the extension. So right now what I have done is I have saved the state of this application at this point in time. So it is frozen at the moment. So I have saved the state of the application to this particular file. This particular file has all the information required to troubleshoot this particular state of the program. So let's see that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a qt detach. QD. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open that dump. I go to file menu, open crash dump. I can mention that location where I saved the dump. So I have the dump here. It is a pretty big file. If I go to properties, so it is a 7 MB file, which means that 7 MB, 7.3 MB was the committed space of that particular application. So it is directly related to the memory usage of that application, the committed bytes. It's not necessarily the RAM. It could be a combination of RAM and page file. We'll get to that numbers probably pretty soon. Yeah, so I'm going to click open here. As you can see, all the symbols, everything has been loaded because it is developed in this particular computer. It will look the symbols for this particular location, and that particular location has the symbols. So it has loaded the symbols, and from the symbols, it is loading the source code location. All those is happening automatically. So right now, I'm not debugging the application. This is not the live application I'm looking at. This is the dump I'm looking at. You can take this dump along with the PDB and the code. If you want to see the code, you will get the exact same thing. You don't need the program. All the information we were seeing in the debugging, live debugging, you can get it here. For example, the call stack and the registers where the crash is happening. This is the instruction which is causing the crash, and this is a function which is causing the crash, and so on and so forth. If you look at the debug mode, you can see it's a full memory user mini dump. It's not a mini dump, it's a misnomer. It is a full memory dump with all the information, required information. And as you can see, this is pointing to the exe, the original executable which created the dump. And this is the location of the dump file, so on and so forth. So we have seen most of the things in this slide. We have not seen kernel and user or TPT or anything like that. Probably we'll wait for that.